quick tip today when you're digging fence post holes. When I do my layout, I draw a line in between all the holes. And if you have a hole that swerves off and you're going back to clean it later, you won't have to put a string back up. You can look in between the lines and tell when you put the post in whether you're going to be in line and it's going to be straight or not. So go ahead and paint yourself a line all the way down like that. Wherever your line goes, just paint a line, and when you head back up and you're cleaning your holes out, you'll be able to use that as a reference point to make sure all your holes are straight, so you don't have to struggle with putting the string back up and look for your line again. Anyway, that's my tip for the day, doing layout and doing fence post holes.